everybody. Welcome to the channel, Romello TV. You know, home of that Roll Tide, that War Eagle, the marching hunters down here in the South with them Southern boys. Good morning, everybody. This is welcome to the channel.
What's up? I'm back. What I'm doing now.
You know, I'm a truck driver, so I'm gonna kind of record my journey and you know what I do in the morning, you know, before I get ready for work. So right now I've gotten dressed already and I'm about to get ready to go start my car and do some of the other things that I do. I always watch TV in the morning. For the most part, watch TV before I get ready to go to work. But like I said, I wanted to cook me a little steak here. I got it cooking a little too fast before I go. It looks pretty good though, so far. Cook me a little steak. I use olive oil and canola oil. You know, cooking real healthy oil. Ready to go to work, and so I always take what I need to work, food wise, drink wise. You know, it's just important when you're out there on that road, especially with this COVID year. You know, stay out of these stores as much as possible. So I've been doing it for years anyway, but I always bring my own stuff. My own, my own drink and everything. Yeah. Yep. So I always do that. I burn my onions, I see. That's a little too high. Boiled eggs. Okay. Well, I am currently just finished getting ready. So now I'm about to get ready to head out the door. I'm going to Panama today. So, yeah, I will get back with you soon while I'm on the journey. Good morning, everybody. I've made it to the truck, so it's time to get ready for the grind. Got to do a little inspection on my truck. I do that every morning before I leave, so it's time to get it going. Trucks, but they get so old and don't hold the air pressure. So that was just a little quick little walk around, check the truck, check the tires, the lights, make sure all the lights are working. Already checked my oil and sorry about that. Lights and everything, make sure everything is working. And just sign in. So let's get this journey started. Headed to Panama City. I got to go up to Calera, Alabama first, and then I will be headed to Panama. So I will give you, more video and more footage of my journey. Can't film while I'm driving, so one day maybe I'll get the little cameras I can put on the windows so I can film while I'm driving, but can't film while I'm driving with this thing. So, stay tuned.
1 hour later.
If you told me dust, I can get 2120.
Morning. I am currently in Calera, Alabama, in the rock quarry getting loaded, and I'm loading this gate in this morning. Getting ready to load Just jumped out in Panama. Getting ready to head to the house. Waiting till this thing go down. That is it for me. Well, everybody, that's officially it for the delivery part of it. And it's about time to get ready to head back to Alabama and relax and chill. So that's gonna be it for today for us, the delivery part.